Hello, hi everyone. This is Raju Komakula. In this video, I am going to explain you cube numbers, calculation of cube numbers. Calculating of cube numbers is quite easy if you follow and if you watch my video without skipping. I will tell you super fast techniques in this video. Cubes. So the first method is number ends with 1. Can you see here? 31, 21, 51. Now, cube of 31. I will tell you in 2 seconds. Observe it. 2, 9, 7, 9, 1. Cube of 21. That is 9, 2, 6, 1. Cube of 51. That is 1, 3, 2, 6, 5, 1. If you want to calculate these numbers in fraction of seconds, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. How to calculate cube numbers? 31 cube. Number ends with 1. When we have the number ends with 1, first digit you have to write 3 cube, 3 square, 3 power 1 and the last digit as it is 1 only. Okay. Now 3 cube. So 3 cube answer it is 27. Before going to calculate all these numbers, you must and should know cubes from 1 to 9. 1 to 9. This is most important. Now I am writing 3 cube. What is 3 cube? You can see here 27. Now 3 square 9. 3 power 1 3 only. 1 as it is. Okay. Now the middle of the numbers 9 and 3, double the middle numbers. Double of the 9 18. Double of 3 6. Now add them. Okay. 1 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 18, that is 27. How to write only one digit and take a carry here. 27, right here 2. 2 plus 7 9 and 2 as it is. So now 29791. This is the answer you can get. Cube of 21. 21 cube. Now you can get that 2 cube, 2 square, 2 power 1 and 1 as it is. Okay. So in this step 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. I am writing 8. 4, 2, 1. Now double these two digits. Double of 4, 8. Double of 2, 4. Just add them. 1, 6, 8 plus 4, 12. And take carry, that is 9. 9 to 6, 1. So this is the way you can get very easily the cube numbers. 51 cube. Now you will get the better clarity. That is 5 cube, 5 square, 5 power 1 and the last 1 only. 5 cube. What is the 5 cube? 125. 5 square 25. Here 5 and 1. Double of 5 10. Double of 25, that is 50. Now add 1 5. Take always only one digit. Take here carry 6. 5 plus 2 7. But don't write here. Take it as a carry. 7 plus 5 12. 1 carry, that is 3 1. 1 3 2 6 5 1. This is the answer. If you practice more, you will get it fraction of seconds. If you observe these numbers, number starts with 1, 13, 12, 15. If you have cube numbers like this, I will explain you how to do the cube numbers. 13 cube. Okay. So whatever you have written in the previous method, so reverse that method. Suppose now I am writing 1. 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3. But in the previous method, what did we do? 3 cube, 3 square, 3 power 1, and last you written 1 only. Just I am reversing the first method. Have you understood? Right. 1, this is 3 only, 3 square, 9, 3 power 3, cube of 3 it is 27. 27. And the remaining step same in the previous method. Double of 3, 6, and double of 9, that is 18. Now add them. 7. Do not write 27. Always take only one digit and remaining 2 carry. Here 2. So 18 plus 2, 20 plus 9, 29, and carry 2. 6 plus 3 plus 2, that is 11, and carry here 1, that is 2. 2197. This is the cube of 13. Okay. Now cube of 12. 12 cube. So number starts with 1. Whenever you get that cube, just write first digit as it is, and the second digit increase the power. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. This is the way. And now write 1, 2 power 1, that is 2, 2 power 2, that is 4, and 2 power 3, that is 8. I am writing 8. Now 2 and 4, the middle numbers, double them. 2, double of 2, that is 4, double of 4, that is 8. Now add them. 8, 4 plus 8, 12, carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7, 1 as it is. 15 cube. Okay. Now you can say how to calculate. Writing 1 as it is, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3. Am I right? Yes. 1, 5, 5 square, that is 25. 5 cube. How much it is? 125. Okay. Double of 5, that is 10. Double of 25, that is 50. Now I am adding. Just take here 5 only. I am saying you from in the starting, take one digit only, and the remaining the 12 take as a carry. Here I am writing carry 12. Now 2 plus 5, 7. Just write only 7. Don't take the second digit here. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. That 8 you can take as carry. Now 5 plus 8, that is 13. And now write here 1. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now the answer is 3375. In this way you can calculate the cube numbers in very easily. Same numbers that are 22 cube, 33 cube, 11 cube. Okay. So this is a different method. I will explain you. Listen carefully. When you get same digit in the cube, now you have to write the same number 4 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, and cube all of them. 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube. Okay. So what is the 2 cube? You know here. That is 8 only. That is nothing but 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. Now in the middle 2 digits, double them. Double of 8, 16. Double of 8, 16. Okay. Now just add them. 8 as it is. 16 plus 8, that is 24, but I am writing only 4. You have to take only one digit. Carry here. Okay. So 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 16, that is 26. 2 here. Okay. 2 plus 8, 10. 10648 is the cube of 22. Now I am writing 33 cube. 3 cube, 3 cube, 3 cube, 3 cube. Okay. I am writing 27, 27, 27, 27. Now double these two digits. Okay, 27, double of 27 is 54. 54, simply adding. Write 7, don't write the 2, take it as a carry. Now 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 4, that is 13, carry 1. Okay, so 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, but don't write 8 here, I am writing 8 here. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 4, that is 19. Now carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. I am writing 8 as a carry. 8 plus 7, that is 15, and now 1 carry. 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3, 5, 9, 3, 7. This is the cube of 33. Okay, now 11 cube. So this is very simple number. So cube of 1, 1, 1, 1, that is 1 only. Now I am writing double of 1, that is 2, double of 1, that is 2. Now answer is 1331. So in this way you can calculate the numbers if you practice more and more. Okay, you may have a doubt if the numbers are different. Observe here, the numbers are 2, 3, 3, 4, 9, 2, different numbers. When you have different numbers, you can calculate the cubes very easily. I will tell you a simple technique and it is useful for any cube numbers. Okay, now 23 cube. So in this one, so we are not going to follow the previous methods. It is a different method. First write 2 cube only. Okay, next write 2 into 3. Here also I am writing 2 into 3. And the last one 3 cube. Okay, so in this 2 into 3, 2 into 3, first write 2 square and 3 power 1. And next one write 2 power 1, 3 power 2. Have you understood? I will explain one more time. So first 2 cube and the next one 3 cube. In the middle I am writing 2 into 3, 2 into 3. But here 2 power 2 and 3 power 1. And the next one 2 power 1, 3 power 2. This is the way to calculate this one. Now you know that 2 power 3, that is 2 cube is 8. 2 square, that is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Now 2 power 1, 2 only. 3 square, that is 9. 9 into 2, 18. 3 power 3, that is 27. From here the same method you have to follow. Double of 12, that is 24, and double of 18, that is 36. Now I am adding 7, write as it is, carry 2 here, take. Okay, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 36, that is 56, but I am writing only 6. Now take 5 here. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, write 1 and carry here. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Now I am writing 4 here. 4 plus 8, that is 12. Okay, now the answer is 12167. This is the cube of 23. Now 34 cube. Okay, so write now 3 cube. In the middle 3 into 4, 3 into 4, and the last one 4 cube. Okay, so here 3 power 2, 4 power 1, and 3 power 1, 4 power 2. I am writing. What is the cube of 3? 27. I am writing 27. 3 square 9. 9 into 4, that is 36. Okay, so 3 power 1, 3 only. 4 power 2, that is 16. 16 into 3, 48. Okay, now 4 power 3, that is 64. Now we got 4 numbers. Okay, making double of this 36, that is 72. Double of 48, that is 96. Now I am adding. Okay, write 4 here. Now take carry 6 as carry. Okay, 6 plus 8, that is 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Now take 2 as a carry. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 9, that is 15. But here take 15 as a carry, right? Now 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2, it is 13. Carry again 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, that is 12. Now I am taking 12 as a carry. 2 plus 7, that is 9. 1 plus 2, 3. Now 39304 is the cube of 34. Now 92 cube. I am writing 9 cube. 9 into 2. 9 into 2 and 2 power 3. So in this one 9 square 2 power 1. 9 power 1 2 power 2. What is the cube of 9? You can see here 7 to 9. 7 to 9. 9 square, that is 81 into 2. 81 into 2, 162. Am I right? Now 9 into 2 square. 2 square is 4. 9 into 4, 36. And 2 power 3, it is 8. Now just double these two numbers. Double of 162 is 3 to 4. And double of 36 is 72. Now just add them. Here 8. 6 plus 2, that is 8. 7. 3 plus 7, 10. But I am not writing 10 here. You have to write here 10. This is the important. Don't write two numbers. Only write single digit. Now 2 plus 4, that is 6. And now 1 plus 6, 7 plus 2, 9. And I am taking as a carry only. 1 plus 3, that is 4. 49 I am taking carry. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now the 7 as it is. 7, 8, 6, 8. This is the answer of 92 cube. Okay. If you follow these 4 methods, you can calculate any cube numbers. If you follow these 4 methods, you can do any cube number. And for more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon, like and share to your friends. Thank you.